Hello everyone, thought I'd do a bike check on my Banshee Morphine, like I said I would ages ago, but I only just got round to it. So here it is, 2004 Banshee Morphine in bright yellow. Absolute tank of a bike, as you can see. Just ridiculously overbuilt, got massive gussets everywhere. Just absolutely hench, it's got gussets underneath and everywhere. Like, absolutely bomb-proof. It's got the same head tube as they used on the Banshee Scream. But Josh Bender Road, so it's really thick head tube, like ridiculously thick. So you can run any forks. So I've got 200mm Fox 40s on it at the moment. Usually I have bump stops on the Foxes, but I've taken them off to go on my Diamondback, as you can see. So I borrowed them for now. I'm not actually riding the Banshee at the moment. But yeah, so we've got 26/24 inch mullet. We've got 26 on the front, and then Mavic rim. Usually I have an EX721, well, this wheel, but I took it off and put it on here because it's stronger, and I didn't want to break this old D321, so I swapped that over. And then on the back, this is the wheel I normally use, 24-inch Amtem Lab on a Amtem Lab hub. Just nice and strong. Got a Halo Contra tyre. Usually I'd have a 3-inch tyre on the front as well. Duro Wildlife Leopard. Beast, but yeah. And then for brakes, I've got Hope M4s or Hope Tech 4s, whatever they're called. We've got race face Atlantis bars, DH bars, Freeride bars, 243 racing stem, which is just a beast. And then we've got 243 racing pedals. Ignore how dirty it is. Got DMR X type cranks. Amoebi headlock that goes right through here. For extra strength. At the moment I've got a FSA Pig DH headset in red, although it's going to a new owner soon. But yeah, DMR def grips. We've got a Setelas sofa saddle, same as the Zonit love seat, but with a cheaper quality cover on it. We've got a fun spline seat post, one of the most annoying seat posts ever to set up, but once it's in place it doesn't move anywhere and it looks cool, so it does the job. And then we've got a Hope quick release seat clamp. So on this side we've got a Shimano Z chainring, 36 tooth, with a green chain, half link chain. And then on the back we've got a 14 tooth sprocket with a Far Eye thingy spacer things. Yeah, it's a bit dirty at the moment, it needs a proper clean, but not too bad. But yeah, that's about it. So without further ado, I'll show you some riding on it. Send it!